This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. This spectacular home is perfectly situated on 1.15 acres of land. Featuring an open floor plan with 2 master suites, 12 feet tall ceilings. Kitchen boasts tons of beautiful custom-built cabinets with gorgeous granite countertops, a breakfast bar and a formal dining room. Great room features Trey Ceiling, ceramic tile flooring and a wall of windows with awesome natural light. Master suite features walk-in closet, double sinks, jacuzzi tub and large separate shower. All this plus an oversized 2-car garage. Please call Jill Crinion, 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group for more information. For more information, review the details below.